Hello everyone. Topic was rational numbers and the subtopic was properties of rational numbers. We have learned special properties of rational numbers. They were five. Now we learn addition of rational numbers. Some properties of addition of rational numbers. So there are two cases when denominators are same and when denominators are different. When denominators are same, then if a upon b and c upon b are two rational numbers, then a upon b plus c upon b will be is equal to a plus c upon b. So first case, when denominators are same, then suppose we have two rational numbers a upon b and c upon b. The denominators of both rational numbers are same. Then we add just numerators of these rational numbers a plus c upon b. This is how we add rational numbers when denominators are same. Second case, when denominators are different, then suppose we have a upon b and c upon d, the two rational numbers with different denominators. Then we add these rational numbers like a multiplied by d, that means numerator of first rational number multiplied by denominators of second rational number, plus b multiplied by c, that means numerator of numerator of second rational number multiplied by denominator of first rational number, upon b multiplied by d, the multiplication of denominators of rational numbers. Let's take some examples. Suppose we have 3 upon 5 and 2 upon 5. We just add 3 plus 2 upon 5, that is 5 upon 5. The first case, when denominators are same, and when suppose we have two rational numbers with different denominators, we have 3 upon 5 plus 2 upon 7. We added like 3 multiplied by 7 plus 2 multiplied by 5 upon 5 multiplied by 7. This is 21 plus 10 upon 35, that is 31 upon 35. This is how we add the rational numbers in both cases. Now we have some properties of addition for rational numbers. Property 1. The sum of two rational numbers is always a rational number. This is called closure property. The sum of two rational numbers is always a rational number. Suppose we have two rational numbers, this and this. This is always a rational number. Sum of two rational numbers is always a rational number. And suppose we have these rational numbers with different denominator a upon b and c upon d. Then the sum of these rational numbers, this will be always a rational number. This property is called as closure property. That means if we have one rational number like 3 upon 5 and second rational number 2 upon 7, and when we add these rational numbers we get 31 upon 35. This is also a rational number. Let's take another example. Suppose we have 1 upon 2 and minus 3 upon 4 as the rational numbers. Let's add these numbers. Then 2 plus minus 3 upon 4 is equal to minus 1 upon 4, which is a rational number. Second property. property is two rational numbers can be added in any order. Two rational numbers can be added in any order. That means if we have two rational numbers a upon b and c upon d, then we can add these rational numbers in any order, like a upon b plus c upon d is always equal to c upon d plus a upon b. They always will be same. Suppose we have two rational numbers 1 upon 2 plus 3 upon 2. So we add these numbers 1 plus 3 upon 2, that will be 4 upon 2. So now we add these rational numbers with another order, like 3 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2 is equal to 3 plus 1 upon 2 is equal to 4 upon 2. They are always equal and same. And this property is called as cumulative property. First property will be called as closure property, and this property is called as cumulative property. Third property is while adding three or more rational numbers, they can be grouped in any order. While adding three or more rational numbers, they can be grouped in any order. That means when we add, if we add थ्री और मोर रैशनल नंबर्स, हमारे पास थ्री या उससे ज़्यादा रैशनल नंबर्स हों, तो हम उनको एक साथ किसी भी ऑर्डर में ग्रुप कर सकते हैं. सपोज वी हैव थ्री रैशनल नंबर्स लाइक a upon b, c upon d, e upon f. Then we group these rational numbers like a upon b plus c upon d plus e upon f. We can group these rational numbers like this, or we can group a upon b plus c upon d plus e upon f like this. Both are same. We can group first this, or we can group first these rational numbers. Let's take an example. Suppose we have three rational numbers that are 5 upon 6, 1 upon 3 and 3 upon 4. We add these rational numbers like 5 upon 6 plus 1 upon 3. We group these rational numbers plus 3 upon 4. We get first add these rational numbers, that will be LCM will be 6, 5, 3 2 is 6 plus 2 plus 3 upon 4, 7 upon 6 plus 3 upon 4. Now LCM will be 12, here 14 plus 9, 23 upon 12. This is the answer. Now we change the order of grouping these rational numbers. First we group first two rational numbers, these. Now we group last two rational numbers. So we write 5 upon 6 plus bracket 1 upon 3 plus 3 upon 4. So 5 upon 6 plus LCM 12, 3 4 is 12, 4 1 is 4 plus 4 3 is 12, 3 3 is 9, 5 upon 6 plus 13 upon 12. Now LCM will be 12, 6 2 is 12, 2 multiplied by 5 is 10 plus 13, that will be 23 upon 12. So both answers are equal. We can group these rational numbers in any order, but answer always will be same. and this property is called as associative property. First property will be called as closure property, then second property is called as cumulative property, and third property, this property is called as associative property. Next, property number 4. The sum of any rational number and 0 is the rational number itself. The sum of any rational number and 0 is rational number. That means the sum of रैशनल नंबर एंड ज़ीरो, ज़ीरो और रैशनल नंबर को जब ऐड करेंगे तो सम ऑलवेज विल बी द सेम रैशनल नंबर. दैट मीन्स इफ़ वी हैव अ रैशनल नंबर लाइक a upon b and we add 0 to it, it always be a upon b the same. For example, suppose we have minus 5 upon 7 to 0. We add this rational number to 0, we get always minus 5 upon 7. How we can add this? Like minus 5 upon 7 plus 0 upon 7, this is also 0. We add minus 5 plus 0, that will be minus 5 upon 7. Same. And this is called the additive property of 0. Additive property of 0, and 0 is called as additive identity, element for addition of rational number, and 0 is called the additive identity element of addition of rational numbers. Now property number 5. Property number 5. Negative of a rational number additive inverse. Negative of a rational number additive inverse. Negative of a rational number is that number which when added to the rational number gives 0. That means negative of a rational number वो नंबर होता है जिसको किसी रैशनल नंबर में ऐड करने पर हमको रिजल्ट 0 मिलता है. If we add the negative of a rational number to the rational number, we get 0. Suppose we add a upon b to minus a upon b, that gives always 0. This is positive rational number, positive a upon b, and this is negative a upon b, so they will be cancelled and gives 0. A upon b minus a upon b, they will be cancelled, they gives 0. So add it. So negative of a rational number, negative of a rational number is that number which gives added to the rational number gives 0. So we can say that minus a upon b is the negative additive, minus a upon b is the negative additive inverse. Negative additive inverse of a upon b, and a upon b is called negative additive inverse of minus a upon b. That means माइनस a upon b का नेगेटिव एडिटिव इन्वर्स है और a upon b माइनस ए अपॉन बी का नेगेटिव एडिटिव इन्वर्स है। दोनों रैशनल नंबर्स एक दूसरे के नेगेटिव एडिटिव इन्वर्स हैं। सपोज वी एड 5/7 to -5/7, that will be 7 are same denominators, so 5 plus -5, this will be add and becomes 0/7, that is 0. So 5/7 is the negative additive inverse of -5/7, and -5/7 is the negative additive inverse of 5/7, because if they added they gives 0. Thank you.